A new report from cybersecurity firm CrowdStrike warns that hackers are stepping up their attacks to access private information.
Well, overnight, the U.S. government confirmed that an unprecedented, widespread hacking campaign is underway and still underway against U.S.
Apple has
federal
issued an
agencies.
urgent software update for many of its products that you may be using. The tech giant says there is a security flaw that could allow hackers to take full control of their
Notorious
devices.
hacking group Anonymous has declared
Story
war
that is
on
literally breaking as we speak. We are learning right now that Uber is suffering a computer system hack.
160 million gamers. That is how many PlayStation and Microsoft Xbox customers are affected by this
security
attack.
breach, possibly putting 143 million Americans at risk. Hackers targeting credit monitoring company Equifax.
My name is Tagle. I started at Delta Systems December 27, 2021. My position is Help Desk Level 1. No, so I hold a number of certifications from CompTIA. I've done a number of courses. I have a bachelor's in cybersecurity and data assurance. I've done the typical, pen testing labs. I've done, Nmap scans and all that type of stuff, general info. You learn Linux, done coding, programming type of stuff. I'm getting into hardware hacking, so that's kind of what I'm learning now, how to integrate with ICs and basically hack into any type of hardware, steal command lines and stuff from them, interact with it. Anyway, yeah, I've done a lot of training. Not too much practical stuff, but we're getting there. So my official role is help desk, so I kind of just answer calls. My unofficial role on the SOC team, so I monitor our XDR platform system for any alerts or any events that happen or get triggered. We investigate the alerts to make sure that they're not actual real-time events or actual attackers getting into any of our client networks. I started a IOC research and kind of stalled out on that. Haven't gone back to it yet. But so basically building IOC change in Windows via the event IDs and things like that, what to look out for certain attacks, which kind of requires, ongoing pen tests to monitor. On a typical day, first thing I do is I log into all of our portals that we need, N-Central, the security portals. I check backups in the morning. That's kind of a daily thing I started doing now. So I look into the backups, make sure that all the backups got taken. If they didn't, see if there's a fix or some kind of issue that I could check up on. Then that usually leads me to look at the servers and connections, making sure they're all up. Because if I see that a backup didn't get taken, usually it's because network connectivity went down over the night. Anyway, so I check backups in the morning, check the security logs, still do the help desk stuff, so I answer phone calls as they come in, continue to monitor. I keep up to date with any kind of like security alerts ongoing, any kind of like new security feeds coming through. So I check daily blogs and stuff related to security. It's tough, but it's not more than you can handle. Just take it little bites at a time. But in order to be in cybersecurity, you basically have to know, kind of like everything. Because, if you want to get into hardware hacking, you have to know how electronics communicate and work. If you want to get into like network hacking, you have to know how networks communicate, what protocols they use, IP structures, different like authorization protocols and systems. You have to know, kind of like how the physical lines of the connections work, whether it's a POTS line or RJ45 connection, or if it's fiber. You have to know stuff about cryptography, to know about like which hashing algorithms are being used, so you could decrypt them. You have to know basically everything in order. It's computer science, but you're learning to use it for, hijacking and use it to what you want, getting information, use it in ways that it's not meant to be used. So you have to know how to use it properly first and create it so that way you can manipulate it later, or exploit it, I should say. Just take it slow, do it, follow advice. Anything you do is not wasted, so anything you do will teach you something, even no matter how small it is. So just keep going, and good luck to you.